Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video is going to be last minute fall decor ideas. These are some very simple ideas that I put together for you guys before we go on to some other projects and some Christmas ideas. I hope you will enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get started. So as many of you know, I really like to paint. Not that I'm really good at it, but I like to paint. So I found these two watercolor paintings of fall, and I decided to try it on my own. I just gathered similar colors. I took Arteza paints, but you can really take whatever you have. And then I had this chalkboard with a beautiful frame from Arteza as well, and I decided to take one of these sketch papers that I cut out in a shape of this chalkboard, but really you can take any frame that you want. And I started painting. I really just dipped the paint in paintbrush in the paint and used some water to water it down. So it wasn't really completely watercolored colors. It actually it was something in between. I watered down the paint, and I just created this painting the way I thought it was the best. Now, like I said, I'm not really good at it, but I really like painting. It makes me relaxed, and I think there's not much room for mistake if you're doing painting like this one. You can always correct it. You can always add some more paint on the top of it if you make a mistake. And it was really relaxing and fun. So after layering different kinds of different colors, it was time to create tree trunks. And then after that, I will just add some details, and that will be it for this picture. I'm going to leave you to enjoy a little bit more, and then I'll come back later on. Now that I was done with the paint, and when everything was dried, I took double-sided tape and added it in all four corners of this picture frame, or actually on the chalkboard. But of course, if you're using just a regular picture frame, you do not have to do this. You can just put it in a picture frame. I put it in, and that really is what this project is all about. It's just a very simple touch to add to your home. Beautiful decor piece, and like I said, it was very simple to make. I hope you like it. My next idea is again a picture frame. I thrifted this one a long time ago, but I didn't like those branches inside, so I'm gonna take this out. And then after that, I also wanted to tone this frame down a little bit. I like that it's textured, but I didn't want it to be the greenish color. I wanted it toned down, so I took watered down Adirondack white chalk paint, and I added it to the frame. After it was dried, it was time to reuse the backing of the frame, and then I also used the same sketching paper, and I cut out around it. That way I have everything that I need to put in a frame. My daughter and I collected some leaves, and I really decided to use this simple leaf out of all those beautiful leaves that we picked up. So I'm going to just position it in the middle, add a little bit of hot glue to be able to glue it and keep it in place, and that's pretty much it for this project. I really like this one, and I have it in my kitchen right now. I really like how it turned out. So simple, very inexpensive, and I think it's a great idea. For all of you that are new to our channel, welcome. I'm really happy you're here. And for all of you returning, thank you so much for all your support. On our channel, you can find a lot of DIY projects that we did, home improvement, thrift flips, a lot of seasonal decor, and just any kind of DIY ideas, all on a budget. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. It helps a lot, the algorithm. So now let's go ahead and continue. I've seen this pillow on Etsy. It was $29 almost, and I knew I could recreate it for way less. And I went ahead and gotten these 4 placemats. They're actually from Target, but I got them on in a thrift store for $4.50, and I took 2 of them, and it was time to just iron them a little bit. It was really hard to take these creases out. I'm gonna have to go back and redo it. But for the purpose of this video, I just decided to go ahead and finish it. So I took a Sure Bonder glue gun and also the fabric glue. You can of course use your sewing machine. I didn't want to do it this time. Now I just glued 3 sides, and after that I left one open to be able to refill the fill up the pillow with the old pillow and old pillow stuffing. After that I closed up that last side, and that was it for this project. You guys know that this is very simple to make. I just wanted to show you how you can make it very simple. You can go ahead to the thrift store and find placemats or find any kind of fabric and use it to create the pillowcases, because pillowcases can cost a lot of money, or pillows itself. For the next project, I've seen this cute gnome door sign on many occasions online, and I decided to create my own. So I took a piece of cardboard and these artificial leaves from, I believe that one was from the dollar store, and I just created a kind of a teardrop shape and then cut it out. On the bottom portion, I started gluing the leaves. Really no any particular pattern, just the way I found it fit. And I didn't have too many of these leaves, so I just spaced them out as best as I could. I layered some of them on top of each other. And that will be, of course, beard of the gnome. All of these are very simple projects. Like I said, it's just a last minute if you want to add some touches to your home, or maybe you can gift some of these to any of your friends or family members. When this is done, I took the drop cloth that I had. I purchased it in Lowe's, and I love this fabric. This one is the lighter one. And after I cut out, I was gonna put it on, but I decided I don't want the top to be completely flat. So I went ahead and gotten the paper from the box, from package paper, and I glue it on the top portion. And then after that, I glued the fabric. That way it had some shape. They had some shape. For the nose, I decided to use a mini pumpkin that I got, I believe, from the dollar store last year or the year before, but I didn't like the color, so I went ahead and painted it with this outdoor white paint by Folk Art. I actually first started painting it, but I didn't want it to be completely painted, so I took off the excess and left it kind of like stained. After I glued the nose, I went ahead and put just some fall picks in the hat, and then after that I glued the twine on the back of the hat. That way you'll be able to hang on the door. And here it is. So cute, so adorable. My daughter loved it, of course, and I hope you like it too. And at the end, I wanted to share with you what I found at a thrift store. I found this milk can, and it is perfect for fall. It has some dents, but I actually like it that way. I like it rustic, and it was $5.99 plus 30% off. So first thing, I just cleaned it very, very well, and I took the tag off. I didn't want to do anything else with it because it's perfect for fall. And since our front porch is has very neutral colors, I decided to put it together with some pumpkins on each side of the steps, and I got some mums, and that gave life to our porch a little bit. After that, I added some other things to our porch, like wreath that I created a long time ago, and I still use it and love it. I'm going to link that video in the description down below. And I added this pillow. With all that, those are the ideas that I had for you. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.